I'm here walking amongst the beautiful gardens of the lodge where we're staying for this Quetzal extension as part of our Costa Rica trip. Right now, I'm in the middle part of Costa Rica. We're up in the mountains, probably, I don't know, 7,000 feet in elevation. And the wildlife is spectacular here. Mainly bird life. We've seen a few small mammals, but mainly birds. But the bird numbers we've been seeing are out of this world. We mainly came to photograph the resplendent quetzals, and we saw one this morning and were able to photograph it. Just such a magnificent bird, so beautiful. It's a bird that I've never seen before until this morning, but it was just absolutely fantastic and phenomenal and beautiful in the way it looked. I can't come up with enough superlatives. So yesterday we started with photographing hummingbirds and other kind of songbirds, beautiful songbirds of all different colors. Today we did the quetzals. We'll go back out again and do similar to what we did yesterday, more songbirds, and then tomorrow morning one more shot at quetzals to try to get some more photographs of them, and then that'll kind of wrap up this extension we're doing. So after that we're going to move into the main part of our workshop, which is going down on the Osa Peninsula and photographing all kinds of animals, from monkeys to tapirs to coatis, all kinds of birds. Everything we see down there is going to be phenomenal. So I'm looking forward to it. This trip so far has been great, off to a good start. We got a great group with us on this trip, and they're having a good time. We're all having a good time, and we're just enjoying being in paradise.